What happens after the webinar? WebinarNinja records and stores your webinars for easy replay and tracks all the data you need to assess your marketing performance. From the webinar settings, you can decide whether to offer a replay. You can choose a replay with no expiration, set a time limit before the replay expires, or disable the replay altogether. When you allow a replay, anyone who visits your registration page after the webinar can still view it, basically making it evergreen. You can include the replay link in your automated post-webinar emails. This is especially handy for people who missed it. As a host, you can view and download any replay from your media library. Replay viewers will see any chat, questions, polls, handouts, or offers you made available. You can edit out any comments or questions you don't want replay viewers to see. Later, you can analyze the stats. You can view data for a specific webinar, all your webinars, or all webinars of a given type. See how many people visited your registration page, how many signed up, how many attended, and how many watched the replay. Quickly create data aggregates to give you even more insight. For example, you can see how many people visited your page and how many of them converted to registrants. You can also track engagement metrics like chat participation and offer clicks. All registrants and attendees are listed by name and email address. You can see exactly when people registered and joined. Your statistics page also includes a complete record of chat and questions for your review and reference, as well as poll responses. You don't stop marketing when the webinar's over. Fortunately, neither does WebinarNinja.